Hello and welcome. This is a short presentation on the services provided by AMSBIO. These services we've been doing for a number of years. Business has been going for 30 years, and we have been very actively involved in the precision medicine industry. We're providing high quality human and animal tissues for research needs. These are IRB approved, normal, tumor, other disease states are available, fresh, FFPE, etc. We do processing of tissue, custom collection and mutation analysis. Another important service of AMSBIO is providing lentivirus and viral delivery solutions, the construction of custom vectors, including ORFs and miRNA expressions. AAVs are also provided. We have a wide variety of serotypes available for different tissues. Our lentivirus is available for knockdown, custom services in terms of stable cell lines, and of course adenovirus is also available. Most of these services very fast and cost effective. Our drug screening service initiates from looking at compounds of interest and biochemical screening, but additionally we have cell-based screening services. Quick turnarounds important. Some of the targets we are experienced in include PARP, epigenetics and kinases. In our cell-based assays, a selection of high quality cell-based assays are available to look at IC50s and EC50s of inhibitors and targets, get a fast turnaround of your compound. We've done cell signaling, immunoscreening, and like importantly to talk about screen in 3D. This is a unique microfluidic platform where we can directly work with your compounds and tissues. In particular, we can do compound combination studies, and those can be an antibody with a small molecule or even radiation with small molecules, totally customized to suit your needs. Our molecular biology is really in our DNA. We've been doing molecular biology for more than 30 years, including custom conjugations of magnetic beads, making RNA, cloning. Nanoscreen service also is useful, adds on to our cell-based screening assays. We can remove the cells and do nanoscreening. And we do a lot of exome research like isolation as well. Peptide antibodies, we've made many peptide antibodies, phosphospecific antibodies. We do peptide synthesis, polyclonal and monoclonal services, including most recently recombinant monoclonal service. Protein expression is obviously important to make antibodies. We can do custom expression. That would include mammalian expression, bacterial expression, and baculovirus expression. Stem cell differentiation is a new service recently introduced. If you provide the cells from iPSCs, we'll differentiate into different types of tissue, and we can fire those off back to you reasonably quickly, in as short as about 10 days for those based in Europe, and 1 week if you're based in the US. Dopaminergic neurons have been done, GABA neurons, and a variety of other neurons. So just to summarize again, our custom services include our lentivirus services, our drug screening services, cell-based assays, including 3D screening 3D, molecular biology, peptide antibody, protein expression, and of course, our tissue procurement services for the precision medicine industry. Thank you for your attention.